Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Dammy, Tanny. Today we'll be learning how to make 3 different flavors of muffins. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to make 3 different flavors of muffin. We'll be making the chocolate chip muffin, we'll be making the Smarties muffin, and also the cinnamon nutty muffin. So let's get right into it. So I have here an empty basin and I'm going to go in with my pre-sieved self-raising flour. If you do not have the self-raising flour, you need not worry. Just add in a teaspoon of baking powder to your plain flour and that will do. And then I'll go in with a pinch of salt. You can refer to my description box below for the full recipe. And then I'll go in with some sugar. I'm actually using castor sugar for this particular recipe, so it's preferable if you get castor sugar. And if you don't have that, you can go with any fine sugar, smooth sugar that you have available. And then you ensure you mix everything together. Here I have some milk, buttermilk. Actually, I couldn't get any buttermilk in the store, so I'll just tell you how to prepare this buttermilk yourself in my description box. And then I'll go in with 1 egg, and then also I'll go in with some melted butter. And after mixing these wet ingredients together, I'll go in with some vanilla, not too much vanilla. I would also leave the measurement for everything I've used in this particular video in my description box below, so you just need to click on it and open it up to see everything. So I'm just going to whisk all my wet ingredients together to ensure that it is properly mixed together, and then I'll create some sort of hole, like a well in between my dry ingredients, and then go in with my wet ingredient and mix everything together. You don't need to mix so much, so that's why I'm using my spatula. Just do it lightly, just ensure that everything is properly mixed to the bottom part of the plastic, and then that's it. You don't need to do so much mixing, please. Don't let me cut my tongue. So after mixing it together, I'm just gonna get my baking tray, and then I'm going to line it with some cupcake liners. And then I'll just, when I finish lining it, and then I'm going to go in with the batter that I have made for the muffin. This muffin is pretty easy to make, so don't let anybody deceive you. You can make this thing in your house and just refrigerate it and be serving it all week long. If you have children, that's better for you. You can even let them customize their own muffin. They can decide what flavors they want to make. They can just personalize it to their own particular taste. At this point, I'll be going in with my chocolate chip for the first set of 4, which is a chocolate chip muffin. And then I'm just going to go in with the chocolate chips on top, and then get a toothpick to mix everything together, because I want the chocolate chip to go beneath the batter, also to be distributed everywhere. So when you bite in, you just feel some chocolatey flavor oozing out of your muffin. So that's why I'm using a toothpick to mix it together. Just be careful so you don't make a mess of it while mixing with the toothpick. You just need to mix it lightly so that the chocolate chip can go down. The next 4 sets is actually going to be the Smarties muffin. So I'm going to go in with some Smarties again, and then I'm also going to repeat the process of using my toothpick to push down the Smarties into the batter, just so that when I'm eating the muffin, you can feel that taste from inside, not just on top of the muffin. So after doing this, the last 4 is actually going to be the cinnamon nutty muffin. So I'm going to go in with the cinnamon on top of the batter for each set, and then after going in with the cinnamon, I'll go in with my cashew nut that I have used my hands to break into little bits. You can use any nut, you can use any flavor. Just be dynamic and just do anything with it. Be unique with your own flavors. I chose these flavors because I like each and every one of these toppings that I'm using. So I'm just going to mix it again with the toothpick to ensure that the cinnamon is properly distributed in the butter, and also the cashew nut is properly distributed. You can use peanut, you can use whatever you like, you can use coconut flakes, anything you like for your muffin. You can even personalize it to what each and everybody in your house likes, so that each person can get their own flavors without having to stress so much. I'm just gonna pop my muffin into my preheated oven, and look how it is already. I'm going to stick my toothpick inside to ensure that it is properly cooked underneath. Look at those yummy balls of goodness. I cannot wait to eat them and enjoy them. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Okay, so these muffins can actually be enjoyed with tea, coffee, hot chocolate, any drink, as a dessert or what have you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.